Imagine tapping into the night hidden diary. What if the key to personal growth is waiting between the lines of your dreams? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Today we are unlocking the secret of dream, the power of dream and journaling. A simple habit that can transform your understanding of yourself. If you ever wondered why you keep dreaming about the same place, people, or same thing, or want to remember your dream more vividly, this episode is for you. Why dream journaling matters. Dreams are like messages from your subconscious, but they fade fast, sometimes within seconds of waking up. By keeping a dream journal, you capture these flat images, emotions, and stories before they vanish. But it's not just about remembering your dreams. Journaling helps you spot recurring themes and symbols, discover patterns in your emotional life, gain insights into your worries, hopes, and even creative ideas. Think of your dream journal as a map to your inner world. Over time, you will start connecting the dots between your dreams and your waking life. How to start your dream journal? Getting started is easier than you think. Here is how. Keep your journal or phone by your bed. As soon as you wake up, jot down anything you remember. It can be in the form of images, feelings, even single words. Be consistent. Make it a habit. Whether you write every morning or use voice memos for speed. Go beyond the plot. Record sensory details, emotions, and any gut reactions. Was the dream scary, exciting, or peaceful? Did you notice colors, sound, or smells? Don't worry if your first entries are short or scattered. The more you practice, the more detail you will recall. So, pattern recognition. What your dreams reveal. Here is where things get fascinating as you build your journal. You might notice certain dreams or symbols repetitive. For example, maybe you often dream of being lost in a maze. Over time, you realize these dreams spike during stressful decision making in your life. Or perhaps your dream of water whenever you are about to start something new. Journaling helps you recognize these patterns. You will see how your mind processes stress, excitement, or even unresolved issues while you sleep. Personal growth and reflection. Reviewing your past entries is where the real magic happens. You will track your emotional ups and downs, spot progress in how you can deal with challenges. Notice how your dreams shift as your life changes. This process boosts self-awareness and mindfulness. By reflecting on your dreams, you get to know yourself on a deeper level, and sometimes you will even solve problems or spark creative ideas you never expected. In short, why not give Dream Journal a try? You might be surprised by what you discover about yourself. In our next video, we will dive into how to interpret those recurring dream symbols and what they might mean for your life. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your wildest or most meaningful dream in the comment below. See you next time on Hussain Psychology, where we decode the science of your inner world. See you.